show up on time, you do clean work, your customers love you. But right now, a homeowner 3 miles away just searched HVAC repair near me on Google, and they called your competitor. Not because your competitor is better, because they showed up first. Google looks at your reviews, your profile, your website, and decides who to show first. If you haven't optimized any of that, you're invisible. And invisible businesses don't get calls. At Wasatch Elevate, we fix that. We optimize your Google presence, automate your review collection, and build you a local marketing system powered by AI so the right customers find you first every single time. More visibility for your business on Google. More 5-star reviews collected automatically. More calls from customers who are ready to book. If you're running great jobs but nobody can find you, we should talk. Visit wasatchelevate.com today and let's get your business to the top of Google.